How big can y'all make y'all snake? Remember, send it to our Instagram. DM us. And we'll put it at the beginning of our next video. Oh, man, that's crazy.
I love you so much. 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 I love you so much.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome to TFX, the family experience, and we are back with another video, man. Today we are going to be doing a project, a DIY rainbow, and we're going to add a little sparkly glitter to our snake rainbow, all right? So we're going to be doing a DIY snake rainbow with a little sparkle to it, all right? But before we get into it, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Please do that for us, for the family. We want to grow, and we want you to grow with us, you know what I'm saying? We want you to say you were here from the beginning. So go ahead and click that subscribe button and hit the like button if you like this video. If you do this project, send us a clip to our Instagram, which will be down in the description below, and we'll feature you on the intro of our next video. We're gonna go ahead and get into this video. All right, y'all. So to get into the DIY today, man, for the snake rainbow, what you need, all right? Each of us are gonna have a bottle. Okay, you need some dye in order to make your rainbow, right? A little measuring spoon. Usually you want a tablespoon. All we have is a tablespoon because I broke the other one cooking, baking. You need some scissors, but these are shears. Some sparkly, some glitter to make your sparkle rainbow, right? And then you need some Dawn soap in order to make your bubbles. And you need some socks, okay? I got some thin socks, some little ankle socks. I think it might work better, so I'm sacrificing my ankle socks, okay? So it's all good. Yeah, thinner is better. All right, so first you want to cut the bottles as such. Probably about right there. One. All right, baby. Watch your fingers, baby. Next. Nope, need this one. The shorter it is, probably the better bubbles we'll get.
Oh, really?
I think so, because, you know, the lung capacity of these children might not be able to handle blowing into a deep cup. You want the top. You don't want the bottom. You want the tops because you're going to blow into them, okay?
Just throw those.
Throw them. Mama said throw them.
Over there.
So next, you need 2 tablespoons of Dawn, but I really don't want to measure it.
Is the best.
Blue Dawn always, so I'm just going to assume that I'm putting 2 tablespoons in here. I think that's about enough. Not a lot?
More. I was saying.
Okay.
Okay,
so
good, yeah.
I'm going to use it to spin. Yeah, it is pretty, right? So I'm going to stir it up. Or agitate, whichever word you like best.
That's a cognate in Spanish.
What?
Agitar is to like if you're on the washing machine, the washing cycle when it's like the spin cycle.
That's what agitate means in Spanish. We're getting some Spanish Spanish lessons in here. She's excited after that Spanish video. So now everybody want to take a sock, one sock. Don't smell them.
They're clean.
Put your sock. Yeah, they're clean. I'm just messing. Put your sock.
Yeah, I'll help you, Andrew.
All the way to the bottom like that. Now the sock might be a little bit long.
You did that super fast.
The sock, huh?
You did that super fast.
Alright guys, sorry about that, man. Our camera died, so we're recording from my phone. All right? So now we're gonna do a test. Look, this is what you do. Make sure it's on tight down at the bottom, and you just dip your sock in there, and then you go. Look at that. Cool, huh? Wow, look how long Daddy Snake is. Go ahead, dip yours. What was that, babe? Alright, no. Yeah, dip it. No, the other way, Andrew. Don't blow in. Don't suck in. Just blow out. Don't, because the soap will get back into your mouth. Do it right here. Dip it back again, Andrew. Go ahead, blow. Rainbow snakes. We haven't even done the rainbow yet. This is just a tester. Look how much snake we got, guys. Y'all think we'll be able to fill up the table at the end? Huh? Yeah. Many times as you need to. Ooh, Daddy got a big pile. Daddy and Rhyielle got a big pile. Alright guys, so y'all see how much soap we done made with just this. Now it's time to make the rainbow. Grab your dye. All right. So this is what we do. Okay. You kind of smear green, right? Orange.
That's yours.
You do the orange. This is yours right here, though. And then you do the purple. Okay. Are y'all ready? Everybody dip yours in. And you ready to make some rainbow bubbles? Oh, wait for mine. Don't flip it. You already did yours?
I know, but I'm gonna start with what I got first.
Alright, let's go. Joey just dipped it.
Yeah, you did. I didn't follow instructions.
Look at that. Wow. Got green and orange and purple in the middle.
I don't see my blue color.
You didn't smear yours into the sock, that's why you just swizzled it. You gotta smear it in. You gotta rub it into the sock. Sorry. Smear it into the sock really good, okay? We got gel dye, so that's why we have to smear ours. If you get liquid dye, you don't have to. Look at that, guys. Isn't that amazing? Look at that. Okay, just chill that like what y'all doing.
I'm trying to catch up.
How big can y'all make y'all snake? Remember, send it to our Instagram, DM us, and we'll put it at the beginning of our next video. Oh man, that's crazy.
Oh, I'm getting dizzy.
Too much blowing. All right, guys. I almost got into my mouth. So if y'all want to do this, here's the instructions. Y'all know what to do now. But don't forget, if y'all have any other videos y'all want us to do or any projects y'all like for us to do or do it DIYs, go ahead and leave it down in the comment section below and we'll get to that as soon as possible for you guys, okay? Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the like button. That way YouTube know you like us. We can get into the algorithm and be able to share our videos with more people in the YouTubeverse, alright? So with that being said, thank y'all for coming out. Thank you for joining our video. And we'll see you on the next one, alright? Toodles!
I love you so much. I love you so much. I love you so much.